Good morning. So for Polygons Day 12, just have a few examples for notes. Really, it's nothing new. It's just being used in a different way. Label your notes, Polygons Day 12. And I want you to draw a square. Remember, what's important about a square is that it has 4 equal sides. I know that's fairly hard to draw without a ruler, so just do your best. And I think we will let this square from one side to the other side measure 10 inches or feet or whatever you want it to be. So think about what you know about the square. You know its perimeter, and you know its area. That's just a real quick review. Go ahead and do that. Okay, perimeter is where you add up all the sides, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So it would have a perimeter of 40 inches or whatever we were measuring in. Area is length times width. So 10 times 10 would be 100 square inches or square feet or whatever. All right, now in the square, I'm going to mark the middles. It just helps me draw. I want you to draw a circle. I am not good at this at all. I'm trying to come up with a drawing that looks kind of like these, which are the ones on your worksheet. Okay, now that circle is touching the square. So if you think about it, this circle has a diameter of, hopefully you said 10, so that would make the radius 5. Now, we're going to figure out this part's area. So what I want to do is I want to take the entire area of 100 and I want to take a pair of scissors and cut out the circle, and then what I'm left with will be the answer. So let's figure out the area of the circle. Remember the formula for that? Pi r squared. So 3.14 multiplied by the radius, which we said was 5, because if the diameter is 10, the radius would be half of that, and then squared. So let's enter that into the calculator. 5 times 5 is 25. So 3.14 multiplied by 25 is 78.5 for the area of the circle. So now we want to take the area of the whole square, subtract out the area of the circle, and the area of the shaded is what we have left. Does that make sense? Let me give you another one to try before you get busy on the ones on your worksheet. Again, I want you to draw a square and put a circle in it that touches the square on all the sides as best you can. And let's let it be 30 across. So in order to do this problem, you're going to need the area of the square and the area of the circle. And you're going to subtract to find the area that is shaded. Go ahead and pause the video while you do that part. Okay, the square was length times width, and 30 times 30 was 900. The circle was pi times the radius squared. What did you use for the radius? Hopefully you said 15. So 15 times 15 is 225, multiplied by 3.14 is an area of 706.5. So the shaded area is the whole square, and you subtract out the circle. Okay, that's all that you're going to have to do on today's worksheet. Please make sure you do the complete worksheet before you start checking your answers. And before you do the homework check, you definitely want to make sure you review all your area formulas.